Hello everyone and welcome to EnglishLogica.com. In this video, we'll look at the phrasal verb act on and show you a number of its different meanings. Meaning one of the phrasal verb act on is to do something because you have been given information, advice, or orders. The lawyer makes a statement. I'm acting on behalf of my client and they would like a postponement for 1 week. During the sales negotiations, the client's representatives suggest an alternative agreement. We'd like to agree on a 75-25 split in the deal. We are acting on instructions from our senior managers, and that proposal is not a viable option for us. Meaning 2 of act on is to take action against something. The government sit in an emergency meeting. We have repeatedly stated that we need to act on climate change before it's too late, and we're approaching that point. The police take to the streets. The government made it clear they will be acting on the current antisocial behavior crisis. Meaning 3 of act on is to affect something. The pharmacist explains, different drugs act on different parts of our bodies in many different ways. Alcohol can affect your decisions. If you drink too much, the alcohol will act on the brain and it can make you do things you usually wouldn't do. So let's look back on what we covered. Act on can mean to do something because you have been given information, advice, or orders. I'm here today acting on behalf of my colleague as they are ill. Let's get this deal closed. To take action against something. I need to act on the recent lates from that employee before it gets out of hand. To affect something. Recreational drugs act on the brain cells and can destroy them. Where did you hear the phrasal verb act on? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English phrasal verbs you can use in social situations and in the workplace.